everybody, my name is Elly, and this book report is about Pete the Kitty and the case of the hiccups. It is written and drawn by James Dean. This is a book that shows what Pete the cat was like when he was still a kitten. In the book, Pete has a problem with the hiccups and asks all his friends for help. Pete has a lot of friends that we know from other Pete the Cat books, like Grumpy Toad, Callie, and Gus. The book also shows Pete's family members, including his brother Bob and his mom. It is interesting to see how Pete tries to solve the problem of his hiccups with his friends. The book is easy and fun to read and has cute pictures. This book is good for younger kids that are just starting to read. I hope you enjoyed the book review. Don't forget to like and subscribe.